Welcome to Management Made Simple.
As a leadership coach, I frequently see clients grappling with various challenges, but one of the most common is a lack of confidence or uncertainty about their performance in their current roles. Now, this might seem a bit surprising, but it's actually quite common. Now, the reason is that many leaders are stepping into roles they've never actually held before, leaving them without a clear reference point to know if they're actually doing a good job. So think about this for a second. If you've recently become a manager or a senior leader or even a CEO, how would you know if you're doing an actual good job? This kind of self-doubt is normal when navigating new responsibilities. However, it doesn't have to hold you back. One of the effective ways to overcome this uncertainty is by collaborating closely with your team, by showing vulnerability, admitting that you don't have all the answers, and by actively listening to your team's opinions before making decisions. This way you can build stronger relationships and make more informed choices. But there's also another powerful resource that can help you thrive in your role, and that is having a coach in your corner. You see, a coach provides invaluable support by offering a fresh perspective, holding you accountable and helping you stay focused on your goals. They can offer insights that you may not have considered, and they can help you navigate the challenges of leadership with greater confidence. Now remember, you were chosen for the role you're in because of the skills and competencies you've already demonstrated. So now it's all about simply embracing your responsibilities and displaying them along with your confidence to succeed. Now, with your team support and a coach to guide you, you can overcome whatever self-doubt you may have and lead with assurance and make the role the success you wanted it to be. Now, if you like videos like this, like and subscribe, and I look forward to see you in my next video.